Hello, this is Tanya. I am the founder of Reboot Go. The powerful motivation driving my heart from the beginning and every day is to inspire the life of everybody, to upgrade your personal horizon, to speak foreign languages fluently. Share with us flexibility, entertainment and fun on your education way. We provide you a database search and booking platform combined with e-learning platform. Here you can find and book your best individual programs of language courses as well as sport or adventure school camp confirmed to your requirements and wishes using our quick filter of search machines. Save your time using our all-in-one functionality, booking all services you need in one click. The automated transfer of booking requests directly to the third parties realizes the smoothest and the quickest response way possible. Continue improving yourself, continue improving your skills using the variety of our e-learning programs, online tutorials, individual consultations provided by certified teachers. Reboot and go places for new skills.